You stare at your screen for 10 minutes trying to decide what to start with. You spend half the day second-guessing an email. You put off choosing something simple, not because it's hard, but because your brain is tired. That's decision stress. It shows up quietly in the small stuff and consumes your energy, time, and confidence. You spend too long choosing what to start with, second-guess a message, or delay something simple because it suddenly feels heavier than it should. And before you know it, your energy and confidence are gone for the day. In this lecture, we will learn how to clear that mental fog and make everyday decisions feel lighter. You're not here to become super decisive overnight. You just need a few tools to help you stop overthinking and start moving, without treating every choice like it's a final exam. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to recognize when you're stuck in a decision loop. Use simple strategies to move forward without the pressure to get it perfect. Reduce emotional overload from everyday choices. Know when to act, when to pause, and when to let something go. Why everyday decisions feel so heavy. It's not that you don't know what to do, it's that your brain is juggling too much at once. You might find yourself thinking, what if I choose wrong? What if someone judges this? What if I regret it? These thoughts build pressure. And that pressure makes even small choices feel much bigger than they are. The result? You pause, get stuck in a loop, second-guess yourself, or delay deciding until it becomes urgent. Spot the overthinking loop. Here's how you know you're stuck in an overthinking loop. You've spent more time thinking about the choice than the choice is worth. You're waiting for the right moment that never comes. You've asked 3 people and still feel unsure. You already made a decision, but you're talking yourself out of it. This is not indecisiveness, but a sign that your brain needs a break from trying to do everything perfectly. Use the good enough for now test. Ask yourself, is this choice good enough for now, not forever, just right now? This removes the pressure of permanence. You don't need to plan your entire future. You just need to make the next reasonable move. Examples. Pick one task to start with. Choose a meal, not the perfect one. Just one that works. Send the message, even if it's not flawless. Done is often better than ideal but delayed. Try the 2-minute timeout. When stuck, set a timer for 2 minutes. Then ask yourself, what decision am I actually trying to make? What am I afraid of here? What's the simplest next step? Then decide something, even a small part before the timer ends. This turns decision-making from an emotional loop into a quick mental check-in. Know when to let it go. Not every decision deserves all your time and energy. If something isn't urgent, doesn't impact your long-term goals, or can easily be changed later, it probably doesn't need to take up this much space in your mind. Sometimes the most productive decision you can make is simply to say, I'll come back to this tomorrow, not because I'm avoiding it, but because it's not worth the stress right now. Permitting yourself to pause is often the smartest move.